guys, so I got this motherboard in that I can it has 13 slots. Just got this one in from eBay. This is an ASRock H110 Pro BTC Plus. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is this, because right now currently I turned on my GPU's rigs that I'm mining Kaspa in. I just started doing Kaspa, and as you can see there, that one is mining Kaspa. I got the other ones there, the Ethereum Classics, that are actually mining Ethereum Classic but being converted to Dogecoin. But also I have these three here. They're all mining Kaspa. So what I'm going to do with that motherboard, I'm going to take one of these rigs, swap that motherboard out, because these have 6 GPUs and I want to make it a 12 GPU. Hopefully that'll work. You know, I do look. It looks like I have some space. I don't know, hope it doesn't overheat or anything like that. But I'm going to swap one of the motherboard there and put that other motherboard that can hold 13 GPUs, but I'm going to put 12 GPUs. You know, so kind of like bringing it down. One thing I noticed, I'm not 100% sure. I got to confirm. When I look at Hive OS while I'm mining Kaspa, it looks like it only runs at a very low wattage. So I don't know. I got to do some calculations there. But that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to swap that board for the other one that I just got in to make this GPU, this rig, a 12 GPU rig. So I'm going to see how that goes. Okay, so I loosened up the screws, removed the screws, and disconnected it. So now I'm just going to swap this motherboard for this one, the new one. It's not new, but you know, I got to use. This one holds this one has 13 lanes. This one only had 6, so I got to swap it. I got to put in install the CPU, which I have right over here. Let me get the RAM. Got to add the RAM, CPU, and I got to add the fan. So I'm going to just swap this fan from here, add it there. Okay, so I added the CPU, the fan, and the RAM to it, and connected the fan there. So now I'm pretty much ready to slide it right under and then put the screws on to hold it down. And then I'm probably gonna just connect one GPU to test it out. You know, I gotta test this waters first or something like that. And then I gotta connect the power also, the ATX power supply. And I'm gonna do that now. Alright, so I got the motherboard in. I only connected one of these GPUs, and just to test it up, you know, to see if it starts. So let me power it up. Okay, all right. Okay, we got power. Looks like it's turned on. All right, it's probably already preset. The motherboard is probably already preset from whoever was mining with it. But I got it on, powered up, fan is running. I just gotta check the computer. You know what? I was like, I don't know what made me think I could put 12 there. I could probably move one over a little bit. And let me see, we got 6, 7. Maybe I could put 3 more. 9. I think I could put 9. I don't know what made me think I could do 12. I don't know what was I thinking, but I could do 9. Looks like I could do 9. So I gotta check the computer. Alright, so I just checked the computer. Everything's working perfectly. The GPU is showing up and it started mining already Kaspa with just that one GPU. And what I'm gonna do is right now it's just try to move it one notch over and add 3 GPUs here. That's what I'm gonna try to do at this point. Okay, so This is the way I squeeze them together. I don't know if they, they're gonna get too hot like that, but I squeezed them together. I think I'm able to put 6 GPUs here. That's how I did it. And right now I'm just checking also the wattage. It's pulling about 455, 454 watts. And this is a 1,000 watt power supply. So I don't want to get, go over it or whatever, or get close to it or whatever. But I don't know, I think it's going to be kind of close, but I'm going to, add some more GPUs and see if I can get all of those GPUs in there. I don't know. Okay, so I kind of was able to squeeze 9 of them. The other way, putting them into too tightly together, they were getting too warm. They were like already hitting like 81 degrees. So instead of doing that, trying to squeeze 12 into this frame that doesn't fit 12, I did it like this. I was able to squeeze 9 in here, except this one is just a little bit tight together. But 9 of them was sort of able to squeeze in there. And right now it's doing about 673, 72 watts, so that's pretty, it's not hitting the 1,000 watts that this ATX power supply, it's max. That's what the max is for that. So it's not that bad. If it stays, decently cool or whatever, then I'll leave it as this 9 GPUs. These are PNY 1660 Supers, 9 of them. And I got all of these mining Kaspa, so I'm gonna just put these 3 1660 Super Zotacs back into that rig there, because actually this was the one I was going to take down. I ended up taking down a different one, but I'm going to put those Zotacs there and make those, turn them back on and mine Kaspa. So for now, that's what I'm doing with the Kaspa. So just got to monitor it, make sure it's not overheating or anything like that. So far the motherboard is working great. I got a very good deal with this motherboard right now. Those motherboards were like 800 bucks, but I got that for only like 45 bucks, so this is, like I said, this is the best time to buy. And that's pretty much it, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later on the next one. Don't forget to hit that subscribe. I'm out. Peace.